77, passing Villanueva, 24. Foul, number 77. Second personal foul, first team foul. 2 to Villanueva. 10-second shot clock, 24, tumira no good. Rebounding, 23 to number 5. Catula. 5 to Arroyo. Arroyo lays basket by Arroyo. Parang nilalapag lang ang bola. 2-29. Pass to 28 Lopez. Basket by Lopez. 23 to number 5. Dribble the ball. Number 5, pass to 93 Lutero. Tumira sa malayo, no good. Rebounding 23. Tumira back, no good. Rebounding 28. Lopez, dribble the ball. Tumatakbo Lopez. 7-7, sulit. Pass to Arroyo. Arroyo, perimeter shot, no good. Rebounding. Stepping on the line.
Vodka.
Villanueva to 28 Lopez. Lopez. Tumira Lopez. Basket by Lopez. 93 Lutero. Pass to 23. 23. Tumira sa malayo, no good. Rebound ni 77. Pass to 2. Dribble the ball. Tumatakbo. Tumira. No good. Foul. 16 in. Foul number 40. Third personal foul. Second team foul. 77. Tumira no good. Super foul. Number 5. Gatula lays. Basket by Gatula. Lopez, 28. Dribble the ball, 28. Side step. Tumira no good. Rebounding, 16. To 93, Lutero. Pass number 5. Binalik. No good. Rebound ni Villanueva. Still in. Number 5. Pass to 77. Tumira no good. Rebound ni 2. 29. Basket, may kasama pang foul. Foul number 77. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Del Mundo. Tumira no good. Rebound ni number 5 to number 3. To 93. Lutero, perimeter shot, no good. Rebound ni number 5. Gatula. Tumira, perimeter shot. Basket by Gatula. Still, Lutero. Still in 29. 2. Tumatakbo. Dribble the ball. Pass to Lopez. Pass to 2. Tumira sa malayo, no good. Dribble ni Del Mundo, number 4. Dribble the ball, huminto. Tumira sa malayo. 3 points by number 4, Del Mundo. 29, remaining time, 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Score. 56-52 in favor of insure shots. Number 5. Pass to number 3 to 19. Tumira. Foul. Foul number 24. Fourth personal foul. First team foul. First attempt. No good. Second attempt, no good. Dribble with Villanueva. 24. Pass to 28. 28, Lopez. Dribble the ball. Pass to Villanueva. Villanueva. Bumangga. Foul. Foul number 20. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Number 29 to Tumira. Perimeter shot, no good. Number 3, pass to 19. Basket by number 19. Time out. Team Manila, Malasakit. Wait lang po, wait lang. Kumuha ko ng tubig. Yung sa blue team, ha? Dribble the ball. Pass to 29. 10-second shot left. 77. Out of bounds. Number 3. Pass to number 4. Del Mundo, number 4. Stepping on the line. Kita ni Rep yun. 77. Dribble the ball, 77. Pass to Villanueva. Pass to 77. Pass to 2. 10-second shot left. 2:29. Pass to 77. Tumira sa malayo. 3 points by 77. Number 3. Dribble the ball. Number 3. Lace basket. Villanueva. 24. Out of bounds. Dribble the ball. Foul number 20. Third personal foul, penalty. 2 shots. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 29 seconds. Score 72-55 in favor of Team Insure Shots. 27. Last 2 minutes. Foul. Foul number 3. Second personal foul penalty. First attempt basket. Second attempt basket. Number 3, pass to number 20. De Quiros, basket by De Quiros. Villanueva, 24, dribble the ball. 24. Dire-diretso, tumira, basket, may kasama pang foul. Foul number 24. 14. Foul number foul number 20. Fourth personal foul penalty. Number 3, dribble the ball. Number 3, tumira, no good. Rebound ni 14, Arroyo, tumira sa malalim, basket, may Arroyo. Dribble the ball, 29, 2. Side step, tumira, foul. Foul number 20. Foul out. Foul out na po, number 20. First attempt, basket. Second attempt, basket. Number 4, Galmundo, tumira ng good. Rebound is to 14. Nilapag na naman ng bola. Basket by 14, Arroyo. Steal, number 3, basket. Number 3.
Wala, alam ko tatlo.
20, Lopez.
Ingat sinabing Mar.
Last 35 seconds. Tumira back, no good.